Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to create this beautiful makeup look. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. First thing, I'll be going in with concealer on my eyebrows. You are not supposed to do this. You can just move on with your primer. You prime your eyebrows and you go ahead and outline the eyebrows using your pencil or eyebrow gel. If you have been watching my videos, you'll realize that I always do this, but you are not supposed to do it. You can just go in with powder and you are good to go, just to make sure your eyebrows are set to prevent it from getting oily. Right now I'll be going in with setting powder to set the concealer. Now I'm going to use this eyebrow gel from Nicka to outline and fill in my eyebrows. To conceal the eyebrows, I'll be using the Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. For the upper part, I used my foundation shade, and the foundation I use is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Chestnut. For my eyeshadow base, I'll be using the Benign Clown White. For my eyeshadow, I'll start with this shade from Magic Eyeshadow Palette. Next, I'll be going in with this shade. For my eyeliner, I'll be using this eyeliner from LA Colors. Just a very simple eyeliner. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to move on to the face, and to prime my face, I'll be using the Eyeshadow Pro Primer. For my foundation, I'll be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Chestnut. To contour my face, I'll be using the Earth Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Ebony. Now I'll be going in with the Flawless Setting Powder to set the highlighted areas. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance Contour Powder in the shade Rich Mahogany to contour my face. To set the rest of my face and also to dust off the excess setting powder, I'll be using this face powder from Nicka. For my highlighter, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. Now I'm going to line my waterline, and I'll be using the black gel liner from Million Pauline. I'll be using these two shades of lipstick from LA Color. To spray my face, I'll be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. That will be all for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video or this look I created, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell beside it. That way you always be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.